Alright, this is a video of what really happens when you close the door on the inside of a refrigerator. Alright, here we go. Alright, open the door, Marshall. Alright. Alright. In case it gets scary, we're gonna have to turn on the light. Alright, it's on. Alright. Now we'll put it in a safe position. No. We'll put it right here. Alright. Now, let's see what happens. Alright, here we go. Oh, and Marshall likes pie.
Yeah, I do.
Alright.
Hey, Kennedy. Coming.
Okay, it looks like there was no change. Now we're gonna try the freezer.
Let's go. Let's hope the camera doesn't.
We're gonna put it right next to the rocky road. This may look like maltreatment to a camera, but you know what?
We're professionals.
We don't care. And do not try this at home. Try it at your friend's house. Don't listen to that piece of advice. You probably should. Probably shouldn't. Good. Should. Yeah. And that's what happens on the inside of a fridge after you close it. Hey, the camera's pretty cold, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.